Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and today I'm going to be doing a quick cleanup of my kitchen and some spring decorations. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm starting out with doing the dishes. I just wanted to thank everyone that's visited my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I post a video. Also, please leave a like and comment down below. It really means a lot to me and it really helps my channel when you guys do that.
I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this.
Also, I'd love if you guys would leave a comment below letting me know your favorite thing about spring or your favorite spring activity to do. It's just around the corner and I'm so excited. We live in Arizona, so the weather gets really warm really quickly, so we really enjoy being able to go outside with our kids more.
So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't wait.
And I just had to show you guys this cute little teacup my sister-in-law got me for Christmas a couple years ago. I absolutely love it.
I'll follow you, yeah.
And I'm just giving the stove a basic wipe down with a disinfectant wipe. I'm just trying to be extra cautious with this time of year and flu season and all of that.
Yeah, I won't waste this.
And now I'm just wiping down the top of the stove and the door of the stove with the lavender Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. I absolutely love it. It embodies spring. It's such an amazing scent.
There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now no words no more, no. I got so high on a love.
And now I'm just wiping down our refrigerator with a disinfectant wipe, trying to make sure that I get all the handles and everything. I also did this to the knobs of the stove.
Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we
And now I'm taking a quick break to refill my lemon water. I'm trying to lose weight as someone with PCOS, and this has been an amazing help for me. And I'm going to be scrubbing out my sink using the Mrs. Meyer's lavender dish soap, of course. and some Barkeeper's Friend. This stuff really works. My mom suggested it for years and I've always ignored her, but now I tried it and I love it. Yes, I know I'm not wearing gloves here. I eventually remember and put them on.
Now I thought I should let you know, yeah, no us no more, we don't know us no more, we don't know us no more, we don't know us no more, no, we don't know us no more, we don't know us no more, we don't know us no more, no, yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the cold.
And my favorite part of cleaning the sink is wiping it with a paper towel afterwards. It makes it so shiny and I just absolutely love it.
Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, down, down.
And this is my spring decor. All of it is from Target. I also have a wreath, but I forgot to include it in this pile, but you will see it later on in the video.
I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know.
I put this wreath here, but I ended up not being a fan of it, so I moved it to a different place, and you'll see that later on in the video.
We don't know us no more. We don't know us no more. We don't know us no more.
And how do you guys decorate your metal tier stands? I always have trouble with mine. You'll see that I go back and forth a lot here. Mine's always been tilted. I don't know why that is. But I always put my dish soap, my multi-surface cleaner, and my hand soap on the top tier. It's just easier for me to get to, and I like having it up there.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I am absolutely in love with these coffee mugs I got from Target. The bunny one is from this year, and then the other one is from last year. It has two bunnies on it, and it says "Some Bunny Loves You." And I think they're absolutely adorable.
And we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment.
And if I'm being honest, although this garland is adorable, it was absolutely annoying to put on. That's probably my tier stand though, and not the garland itself.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
And I found these adorable posters at Target in the dollar spot, and I'm just hanging those up with some command strips.
Everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And that is it, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And follow me on Instagram at the.relatablemom. And I hope you guys have a great spring. And also, tag me in your stories of your spring decor. I'd love to see it.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?